You gonna rock her? You gonna rock her?
Yay!
Are you sweet?
Yay! Look at that big smile she has. She loves it.
Sweet. My bad. Nope.
Say yay!
We'll just put it in the car. We'll take it off when we get home.
Say yay!
Put it in your pocket.
Yay! Not so hard, Damon.
Yeah,
You got the
so
baby.
upset.
I know, she's so upset.
You could do it now because I got her.
You got her?
Yeah.
Oh, she liked looking to you.
That TV's scary.
Oh, that was nice.
Whoa.
Are you talking?
I think you might have to get a hammock.
That's a super fun.
Yeah, she likes it. She's smiling up a storm.
Mama, can I get on?
No, right now they have the baby right now, okay? You wait till Avery's done. Your feet through
I know.
pushing upside
This
down.
song is off. I'm done holding her.
You're done holding her?
Okay.
Okay, give her a kiss. Very nice.